Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia for those of you who don't know me, and in today's video I am showing you how I created this makeup look. It is perfect for Valentine's Day. We have lots of pinks going on, pink eyeshadows, a little bit of smokiness, something a little sexy, something a little sultry, and yeah, we have some lashes. This is a perfect look for Valentine's Day, for date night, or just for any occasion. It looks really pretty on the eye. I did a slicked back bun today and I don't really know how I feel about it. So if you guys don't think it's cute, I'm very sorry, but I just wanted to try a little something different. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I just want to make an apology in advance if my bra straps pop out. They're not really cooperating with this shirt. We're just gonna go with it. Okay, so we're gonna jump right in with primer, and the primer that I'm using is the Revlon Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing. As you can see, it took me a couple minutes to actually get the product out of the bottle, and when I did, I was a little upset with myself, not with the product, but me personally for buying the mattifying one. My skin, as you can see my face right here, I was a little shocked at how drying and mattifying it felt. It definitely mattified my skin, and if that's what you're looking for, then this is perfect for you. But this time of year I like to opt for something more hydrating. I don't know why I picked up the mattifying one, but it'll be good come summertime. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. As you can see, it's a little bit darker than my natural skin tone, but it does match my neck and my spray tan. This foundation is awesome. I use it almost every single day, and it gives a beautiful airbrush look. And it is full coverage, but I think it's definitely, if you apply a light amount, then it doesn't look cakey. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have been using this for months, but I recently switched over to the hydrating version, which I believe is a new product. It has a satin finish and it has the white top, which is how you can differentiate the two. The original is black, and then the newer one has the whiter cap. And I love this concealer. I loved it before it was hydrating, and now that it is hydrating, I'm even more obsessed. So I am using a new product here, which is the e.l.f. Contour Cream Kit. I've never been into contour or cream contours, but I was wanting to get into it, so I thought I would try out this product that I read that was really good. And I was a little shocked there. I thought I put too much, but it blends out so beautifully. It looks absolutely stunning on the skin, and it was like, I think $10, so super inexpensive, and you get the 4 colors, and you'll see when I blend it out, it looks so beautiful on the skin. I am now going in with the light concealer shade, and I just wanted to see how this kind of blended out. So I put it underneath my eyes, I put a little bit on my forehead, on my chin, just to see if it would brighten up the skin. I think it did a little bit. If I wanted to try it again, I would probably use a little bit more, but it definitely brightened up the center of my face. Next, I am going in with my Morphe Bake and Set Translucent Powder. I've talked about this a couple times on my channel, but this is the powder that I use to bake my face. So I'm just putting this where I put my concealer, which was under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. Next, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows. I use the Anastasia Dip Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, and I just use that with an angled brush and a spoolie. I don't do anything crazy with my brows. I basically just follow the natural shape of them. I'm just going to wipe away any of the excess baking and then move on to bronzing. I recently picked up the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit in Caramel, and this was a recommendation from SML, and all of you know that I'm super obsessed with her, but I'm loving this bronzer. I just put it over where I put the cream contour just to basically set it and give a little bit more warmth to the skin. I normally use Hoola, but I'm loving the Caramel one. I'm now going to set my brows with the e.l.f. Eyelash and Eyebrow Clear Gel. This stuff is super inexpensive and it works great. I'm going to be going in with a new teeny tiny little palette that I just picked up from e.l.f. This is the Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in Rosewater. I'm going to be taking that mauve matte shade and I'm going to be applying that to my crease as the transition color. I will show you that I do get a little bit of kickback from the product, but that's okay because it really does blend beautifully. So I'm just applying this to my crease with a fluffy blending brush, and you can see it gives a little bit of definition. It's a beautiful mauve color, and it works great as a transition shade. Originally, I was going to do something totally different for this makeup look, and then I passed this in the drugstore and I thought these colors were so beautiful and I wanted to give this a try, and I'm super impressed with the quality and the product. It blended beautifully, and as you guys will see, it makes a really gorgeous look. So I'm just blending that into the crease and making sure that everything is completely seamless. Next, I'm going to be going in with that dark purpley black shade that has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I'm taking a dome brush and I will be applying this to the outer portion of my eyelid. So as you see, I'll just pack on the color a little bit, and I go back and forth between adding color and blending it, adding color and blending it out with that transition shade. But basically, I'm just putting this in the outer corner to give it a little bit of a smoky cat eye. I'm just going back in with that transition shade and I'm blending that into the crease just to make sure that the black purple color is blended smoothly. I'm going in with this beautiful shimmer, the darker shimmer in the palette that is a beautiful rose gold color, and I'm going to be spraying that with a little bit of some setting spray. This is just my Morphe setting spray, and I'm going to be applying that to my entire eyelid. So obviously spraying it with some spray gives it a little bit more of a shine, a little bit more of some pigmentation, and this color looked so beautiful on the lid. You would never know that this was like a $6 palette. I'm now just going back in with that purpley black color and blending that back into the crease just to make sure none of the smokiness was blended out too much. I'm going to go in with that transition shade, the first one that I used from the palette, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line. I am just using a precision brush, and then I go in with a fluffier blending brush just to buff it out and make it very smoky. To give this look a little bit of a pop, I'm just taking the lighter shimmer shade in the palette and I'm putting that on the center of my eyelid. Since I'm going to be applying false lashes, I'm going to do a thin coat of the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. I won't lie, this is not my favorite mascara. I think that the brush is a little too like fat and thick for my eyelid, but it does work great for making your eyelashes super dark. No, I love a bright inner corner, so I'm going to be going in with ColourPop Lunch Money. This is a highlighter shade, but I use it for the inner corner. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies, and I'll just pop those off camera and you guys can see what they look like. For the blush, I'm going to go in with Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade We're Going Shopping. It's got a little bit of a orangey pink tone, and I just wanted something to break up the pinks a little bit. Next, I'm going in with the Kylie Highlighter just a little bit. I believe this is in the shade Quartz, and I'm just going to be putting that on the high points of my face. So I do go in with a lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics, and I kind of regret the shade that I chose. I chose the shade Almost Friday, and I think it was a little too peachy for what I was going for. So if I were to do this look again, I would have probably opted for something more pink and not so orangey terracotta color. And then to finish off this look, I'm just going to spray my face with some Morphe setting spray. So this is the look I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below of the videos you guys want to see next, and I'll gladly film them for you. And yeah, I think that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!